Learning Axure RP and UX design shouldn't mean piecing together scattered tutorials, outdated lessons, no real-world cases, no structured path. What if one comprehensive course could take you from beginner to professional? Introducing the Axure RP 10 and UX Core Skills course from AxureBoutique. Over 200 video lessons covering 13 chapters of Axure RP 10, from startup and environment to dynamic panels, repeaters, and publishing. Plus a complete UX design curriculum, user research, information architecture, design psychology, and AI in UX. Master every core widget and interaction pattern. Build real prototypes with 60+ hands-on case studies. Learn dynamic panels, repeaters, variables, and functions. Explore UX methodologies, usability testing, and design psychology. Plus bonus resources: Bootstrap widget libraries, business card templates, and icon sets. Skip months of trial and error. This course gives you a clear, structured learning path, practical skills you can apply immediately. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned UX practitioner, level up your prototyping and design skills with lifetime access and free updates. Get the Axure RP 10 and UX Core Skills course today for just $139. Visit AxureBoutique.com, link in the description.